Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a new user on your Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the System Preferences button down in our system tray. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the Users and Groups button. Select where it says click the lock to make changes. Enter in your computer password. Now at this point you want to go ahead and select the little plus button down here. Now you're going to add a new account. You can set it to either be standard or administrator. So add whatever name you want to name this new account. So very original. And then account name, it's going to be your home folder. So when you're sharing it between different users or different network accounts, it's important you want to make sure that's somewhat relevant. So you enter a password, and then you would go ahead and verify the password by just typing in it again, and then enter in a password hint, and then you would select create user. So again, very straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.